Hi everyone, this is Learning with Linda, and today I bring you information regarding state stimulus checks, child tax credit, summer p-ebt, and SNAP emergency allotments all happening in the month of August. Now remember guys, it's actually a couple of states that are sending a check this month. I bring you the list for the month of August right now. Remember guys also that there's only a couple of states that are really sending out additional help, I would say, to its residents. So it's not every state that's doing it. So that's one of the reasons why we do these videos. And then we have one specific state as well that will be sending anywhere between $250 to $750 in child tax credit. The payment will be made available pretty soon. And for those in the state of Minnesota, Minnesota is getting ready to send out the summer p-ebt payment in the month of August as well. And included in this video, I also bring you the 30 states that have been approved for the SNAP emergency allotments for the month of August. So make sure you guys stay until the end of this video to ensure that you receive this information. Now, before we get started, if you're interested in the latest news regarding stimulus, child tax credit, SNAP, p-ebt, and everything in between, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button down below. Now let's get right to it. And don't forget to take advantage of these offers. With Rakuten, you can get an additional $30 when you sign up and spend $30 or more using the referral link that is in the video description. You can also receive up to 20% cash back every time you shop at your favorite stores. Next, we have the Ibotta app where you can get cash back when doing your grocery shopping. You can also receive $10 when you sign up and upload your first receipt using the referral code that is on the screen. And in case you want to maximize your rewards, you can use a second app like Fetch Rewards to upload the same receipt you just used from the Ibotta app. Fetch is actually super easy to use as it will give you points just for uploading any type of receipt. You'll even get 2,000 points just for signing up with this referral code. So let's start off this video with New Mexico, guys. New Mexico is getting ready to send out those tax rebates this month, anywhere between $250 to $500. A final economic relief check in the form of $250 or $500 should arrive in most New Mexicans' bank accounts during the first 2 weeks of the month as the state looks to wrap up its program aimed at helping its residents battle back inflation and gas prices. Now, single filers or those who filed taxes individually will receive $250 from the state regardless of income. Joint filers or heads of households will receive $500 payment from the state, again regardless of income. Now, the August rebates direct deposits should be going out to bank accounts via direct deposit in the first days of the month. If you don't receive a direct deposit, then you'll likely get yours via paper check. Colorado is also getting ready to send out anywhere between $750 to $1,500 in tax rebates, you guys. And this can happen anytime between the month of August or September, right? So millions of Coloradans are set to receive $750 checks in the mail pretty soon as part of the Colorado Cashback Program that state lawmakers passed earlier this year. Now, around 3.1 million residents who filed state taxes by June 30th are expected to get $750 for individual tax filers. And then for joint filers, it could be around $1,500 between now and the end of September. So that's when you can expect to receive those, according to Governor Jared Polis. Now, if Coloradans filed after June 30th, but the extended filing deadline on October 17th, then they'll get their check in the month of January. So residents should ensure that they have their current address on record with the Colorado Department of Revenue, as the checks are only going out in the mail. So definitely, you guys, make sure you're checking where your current address is at. If you have to go on the Colorado Department of Revenue website, feel free to double check so that you can make sure you're getting your check. Now, the state says to prevent fraud, checks will be mailed instead of using any direct deposit account that's on file. And now moving on to those in the state of Connecticut. Connecticut is getting ready to send anywhere between $250 to $750 payments regarding the child tax credit at the end of August, you guys. So in June, Governor Ned Lamont announced that Connecticut families can soon receive a state tax rebate of up to $250 per child for a maximum of 3 children. So if you have 3 children or more, then you can expect to receive $750. And this is as a result of the recently enacted 2022 Connecticut child tax rebate that he signed into law. Now, any Connecticut resident who claimed at least one dependent dependent child under the age of 18 on their 2021 federal income tax return may be eligible. And once again, you guys, this is specifically to Connecticut residents. Now, anyone seeking a rebate must have applied to the Connecticut Department of Revenue Services. And remember, guys, we mentioned this several times throughout the video in some of the previous videos that we've done, right? The application period ended on July 31st of the year 2022. Now, this timeline will enable qualified recipients to receive funds beginning in late August. And now moving on to those in the state of Florida, certain eligible families, guys, will receive $450 checks. If you're curious to know as to who will qualify, well, guys, here I bring you all those details. So close to 60,000 Florida families received letters in mid-July telling them that they'd be receiving $450 payments. State officials say Floridians need not to apply for the check as they've already identified eligible recipients. So if you were an eligible recipient, then you should have received that letter. Now, who is eligible for the $450 check from Florida? So in order to receive the check, you guys, Floridians must fall into one of the eligible categories before the 1st of July. That includes foster parents, relative and non-relative caregivers, families receiving TANF cash assistance before the 1st of July, guardianship assistance program participants as well. Now, the checks have been cut and should arrive before Florida's back-to-school sales tax holiday, which takes place between July 25th and August 7th. And for my friends in the state of Minnesota, let's talk about the summer 2022 p-ebt amount, which is the $435 that you can expect to receive by latest in August. So families with school-age children can expect to receive $435 in benefits during the last week of July or early August. So you can either receive it end of July or the beginning of the month of August, right, you guys? So families will receive a one benefit payment of $435 for the entire summer period, which is anywhere between June 1st all the way through August 31st. That's what they would consider summer, which will be loaded onto the p-ebt card in the child's name. Now, due to federal requirements, households with eligible children 5 years of age and younger will receive summer p-ebt benefits in two separate issuances. So in October, the Department of Human Services will issue p-ebt benefits for newly eligible children or families. Here I've included a chart that I hope you guys find very, very helpful. It talks about the eligibility phase, so whether you are talking about summer benefits and you have a child that's 5 years of age younger, or you have a school-age student, for example. And then you can see the months included in the payment, so that way you know which months they're sending you the payment for. And then it says when families can expect to receive the funds on their card. So for example, regarding summer benefits for school-age students, it says here summer benefits of $435 per child should expect to be received on your card by late July 2022. Regarding 5 years of age and younger, right, we're talking about summer benefits. So the first half of summer benefits, which will be $218 per child, should be arriving in early August, and they'll also be sending the January through May childcare benefits. Now, if you have, for example, a student catch-up, students who are eligible for summer p-ebt but did not receive their benefit in late July, right? So those should actually be received by late August. And then it also says students newly eligible for 2022 through 2023 free and reduced price meals. Regarding the summer benefits, those should be received by mid-October. And then it's talking about children 5 years of age and younger that are newly eligible for SNAP, MFIP, or the tribal TANF. Regarding the summer benefits, those should be received by late October. And for my friends that are watching from the state of California, now remember, guys, that in the month of October, the state is actually getting to send out those tax rebates, which could be anywhere between $350, $700, or $1,050 check. So once again, guys, this would be happening in the month of October and not in August, right? So just want to make sure I provide that clarification to you guys. So Governor Gavin Newsom has signed California's budget 2022 for 2023, which included direct payments of $350 to $1,050 for 23 million Californians. Stimulus payments will be issued by California's franchise Excise Tax Board via direct deposits and debit cards. Payments will be dispersed starting in October and will continue through early of the following year. So remember, guys, if you don't receive your payment in October, give the state some time, because they're obviously letting us know that they'll be sending out payments all the way through January of next year. So to qualify, you must have filed your 2020 tax return by October 15th of 2021 and have been a California resident for 6 months or more of the 2020 tax year. Now, here's a breakdown of eligibility for the maximum payout, you guys. So $350 will go to individuals who earn less than $75,000 per year. $700 would go to couples who file jointly and earn less than $150,000 per year. And then an additional $350 would be the payout for the above families who have at least one dependent. And now moving on to the SNAP emergency allotments for the month of August, you guys. Unfortunately, there's a couple of states that are no longer providing these benefits. And as always, you guys, I give you the list of those states. And at the end, I've put the last benefit month. And here we have the payout date information for the SNAP emergency allotments for the month of August. Starting off with Alabama, anywhere between August 31st through the 1st of September. Alaska, August 1st through the 31st. California, September 3rd or September 9th. Colorado, anytime between August 7th all the way through the 12th. Delaware, August 24th. DC's on a regular issuance schedule. Hawaii, September 12th. Illinois, anytime between August 11th through the 19th. Louisiana, August 6th, the 13th, the 20th, or the 27th. And Maine, August 10th. Next, we have Maryland that will be issuing payment anywhere between August 1st through the 31st. Massachusetts, September 2nd. Michigan, August 13th through August 22nd. New Jersey, August 1st through August 5th. Next, we have New Mexico, August 1st through the 31st. And for New York, for those in New York City, August 16th through the 29th. And then for the rest of the states, I know it says OUS, supposed to say rest of state, August 8th through the 18th. So we'll make that correction pretty soon, you guys. North Carolina, August 22nd through August 31st. Oklahoma, August 10th through August 15th. Ohio, August 25th through August 26th. And then Oregon will be distributing payment in 3 rounds, you guys, same as always. So round 1, August 10th, round 2, August 30th, and round 3 on the 1st of September. Next, we have Pennsylvania, August 16th through the August 27th. Rhode Island, August 3rd. South Carolina, August 1st through August 19th. Texas, August 1st through August 5th. Utah, August 27th. Virginia, August 16th. Washington, August 2nd through August 20th. West Virginia, August 4th, and the final run on September 14th. And Wisconsin, August 27th. And here we have the payout date information for the SNAP emergency allotments for the month of July. So these would basically be the August payout dates, you guys, since remember that there's a couple of states that are 1 month behind, right? So starting off with California, they'll be dispersing their payment for the benefit month for July on August 13th through the 14th or August 20th through the 21st. Next, we have Hawaii, August 8th, Kansas, August 15th, all the way through August 24th, Massachusetts, August 2nd, Nevada, August 6th through August 9th, Minnesota, August 9th through August 31st, and Vermont, August 12th. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notification button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you guys next time.